Hello, welcome to your weekly digest. Next edition's here. We're here to bring you the latest of what's going on and coming up in Fitchburg, Wisconsin. So big news, the mayor's 2026 proposed operating budget is now available for viewing on our website. We have a variety of dates coming up related to that. To start, departmental presentations at special finance committee meetings will be happening Tuesday, September 30th and Wednesday, October 1st. There will be a public hearing on the proposed budget at the October 14th Common Council meeting. Council proposed amendments for the budget are due by Tuesday, October 16th. And if you want to know some of the other dates relating to the budget, a full schedule of the process is available on the finance page of our website, as well as you should probably view the mayor's proposed operating budget. It's right there, explanations from the mayor in the first couple of pages. We also have a breakdown of that in her monthly update. Fall hydrant flushing is coming up. Fitchburg Utilities Department will be conducting its fall hydrant flushing program from Monday, September 22nd through Friday, October 17th. All areas of the city will be flushed during this time. The western portion of the city will be flushed using unidirectional flushing. Residents may notice discolored water or changes in water pressure during the flushing. If this occurs, please run cold water until it clears and consider doing laundry in the evening to avoid staining your clothes. Water remains safe to drink during this process. It's a routine maintenance that helps ensure water quality and system reliability. If you have any questions, please contact Barry Schwingle with the Public Works Department. He's the utility superintendent. His phone number is 608-729-1730. And coming up, we have a huge doubleheader for the fall. The Oak Bank Great Pumpkin Giveaway is paired up with the Fitchburg Fire Department's open house. Start off at the Oak Bank Great Pumpkin Giveaway. From 9 a.m. to noon, Oak Bank will be hosting pumpkin picking, goodie bags, and tractor drawn carriage rides. Kids will have the opportunity to meet local mascots. That's happening at 5951 McKee Road. That's Oak Bank's parking lot. Donations will go to Meadowwood Health Partnership, an organization that focuses on strengthening families, promoting literacy, and providing neighborhood-based model health care. It's their big fundraiser for the year. Be sure to come out. And right after that, you can head on over to the open house at the Fitchburg Fire Station. That's happening from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at Fire Station 2. It's their open house that involves, you can go out and meet local firefighters, learn about fire safety, and enjoy food with the community. Bring your family and friends to explore fire engines, participate in hands-on activities, and connect with the team that serves our city. And there's your weekly digest. We'll see you back next week with some more updates.